Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2019 GMC Terrain and I will quickly show you how to use the keyless door entry. This video should apply to second generation of GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so first I will quickly explain what is GMC's keyless open. So that means if the vehicle is parked and locked, you can enter the vehicle without removing the key from your pocket. So right now this is the fob, right? I will lock this vehicle and I will put this key to my pocket. So all you need to do, you have to push this button here and approach the vehicle, right? And the door will unlock. See, and you can open the door. So this is the idea. So you can have the key in your pocket, you can have the key in your bag or anything like that, and then same thing, once you enter the vehicle you can just push the start button and drive away without even removing the key from your bag or purse or whatever, right? So this is the idea of GMC's keyless open. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.